Hello, hello. We're going to be taking a look at Zorin OS again, and this is going to be something a little bit different. Uh, we're going to be doing some desktop tweaking thingy. Now, what the heck does that even mean? Because as you're probably seeing right now, Zorin OS is meant to be like exquisite and elegant and seamless and cool. Apparently over the last couple of weeks, I've been looking at I've been looking at some how to tweak the desktop, and that's by installing some more desktop environments. Now, and that's what we're going to be trying to do today in this project. Now, I'll have to say a couple things before we begin. As you're probably aware, this is running in a virtual machine, which is probably not going to be the best as possible. So, but it's going to be suitable enough to do this. And another thing is that Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu 16.04, as I pointed out in the previous video. And also one more thing, and this is a huge disclaimer. This has never ever been attempted before, but we're going to see how far we could actually go in here. So right now I just installed it. Like I said, I installed a copy of Zorin OS, and so let's start off by taking a look at the first problem, and that's it. That's the desktop wallpaper, because it's like cut off right there. So yeah, not a good sign when you have the VMware tools like that. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing. By the way, I'll put all of the I'll put all the specs for the computer in the description, so you can see what kind of hardware I used, and how the performance will be under this kind of environment. So, and just to prove it to you, yeah, like those are, it says 268 gigs, but you get the picture. This is a freshly booted copy of Zorin OS, working fine. Okay, Cinnamon. So okay, all right. So this is, I tried this before on another distribution. Like, I want to say that this is based on Ubuntu Genome 16.04, because it has the same like look and feel to it. I just realized that because I tested it out on another one and it works, but we're gonna try it on Zorin OS. Why not? Yeah, let's see how far we can go here. All right. Okay, so then we have to update the. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's just gonna do its thing, and yeah, as you saw, like look, if you look here, it says Exennial. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but it's working. It's actually installing it. Yeah, this is on like the Windows 7 type feel. Yeah, this is based on Genome. If you're not already aware, they don't outline it on their website, but you could just tell. Unpacking. It'd be great if it has a lot of unpacking to do. Okay. Back to the prompt. All right. Ah, crap. All right. So okay. So presumably, what I should do. Okay. No. Get out of here. Okay. So presumably now, so this is where you log out. Okay. Don't need to restart the computer. You just have to log out. Oh, okay. Okay. So see those gears right there? See if we could find it. And there's not. Cinnamon did not get installed. Oh. What? What? Okay, I lied. Oh, yeah, there's a cinnamon desktop. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Okay, so there's cinnamon. It did get installed. Oh wow. Wow, that is unbelievable. I've never seen that happen before. All right. Wow, that is incredible. Oh man. So yeah, there's your Chromium. Oh, by the way, everything I didn't install anything prior to this, so it's all just uh running just fresh. And Chromium seems to be ooh. Okay. Okay. Well, there's your Zorin start page. All right. Well, it's working. Oh, wow. I did not expect for this to work at all. That is a first for me. Ah man. I mean, you still got the wine there installed. I mean, I'm pretty surprised about that. uh, Can you actually browse the drive? Let's see. I think you still can. I think it's just like installed just the thing on it. Oh crap. I don't think it's gonna work. What about File Explorer? Okay, here we go. There's our files. Uh, See if we could try to get it to show up. Uh, well, I don't see it. Wow. So, okay, it's working. It's it is actually working. I mean the Cinnamon desktop is showing just fine. Uh, oh my goodness, Zorin appearance is there. Okay, I don't think it opens. Does it? Oh my word! I think you have to be in the Genome desktop environment to use that. Oh my word! Okay, weather works. That's good. Okay. Wow. Who knew that a simple, elegant desktop environment would turn into this? That is just insane. So okay, what else can we do with this? There's there's like a whole buttload of stuff I could do with this, like do mate, LXDE, LXQT, genome. Oh, I know one thing we could try. Let's start for the next desktop environment. That's LXDE. Alright. Okay, it's going to install LXDE. This is going to be our third desktop environment. And while we're waiting for that, look at that. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe like that the Cinnamon desktop environment's actually showing. Because mind you, I did this on Ubuntu at one point. No, I don't think it was Ubuntu. I think it was uh was it Ubuntu? No, OpenSUSE. Yeah, it was OpenSUSE, and I did that. And yeah, okay. All right, well, LXD's done, so. All right, so let's okay, let's reboot. I mean, so far so good. I mean, it didn't show up on when I clicked on the little gear thing right there. Oh, there we go. There's Cinnamon. But there's no LXDE. So okay. I guess system default. Okay, well it didn't work. Alright. No surprise there because it didn't show up on the thing, but there you go. Yeah. Clip it. I want to save the history. Has there anything else been installed like alongside it? I don't think so. I mean, everything else is just still exactly the same. I don't think like you're supposed to even do this on Zorin OS. That is just incredible. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit more research, and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, back in the Genome desktop environment, and I have a couple more distributions we could try. You can see right here, XFCE, XFCE 4 in particular. Well, according to the amount of megabytes it had, it shouldn't take that long, correct? I mean, can a lightweight distribution be good enough? Oh, just a little tidbit for you. So you know how there's like Zorin OS Core and Lite. Well, the Core is based on Genome, and the Lite version is based on the XFCE desktop environment or the LXDE desktop. I can't remember. All right, but let's see if we can There we go here. Okay, log out again. Takes a few seconds. It said it may work on 1604, quote unquote. Well, this is Zorin OS 12.4. Oh my word. And it just sit at this black screen for quite a while. I might just be better off just restarting the computer. Okay. Look here. Doesn't appear. Okay, let's restart the computer. Alright, back again. Oh, here we go. XFCE. I want the full screen experience. Okay, there. Wow, okay. Choose below which setup you want for the first time. Default config. Wow, there you go. Not too shabby. Oh, I don't know if you noticed this, but it actually kept the font for the for the for like the, well, it kept the theme for the icons. That's pretty interesting. So there you go. If you want XFCE, you can do so right here. Uh, okay, we have to try and see if tweaks still work. Where's tweaks? Oh no, that's right. It's not called tweaks. It's Zorin OS appearance. Zorin. There it is. Zorin appearance. Launch. Unsurprisingly, it crashes. Alright. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's working as well as it can be. Settings manager. Huh. Okay. And this is the exact same thing I was been presented when I went to the settings page, you know, because I was like struggling to try to look for the, oh yeah, in the last video I was trying to see what kind of specifications it had on that computer to make sure like everything was working properly, uh, and make sure like which version it was running. Yeah, yeah, I tried finding that in there, but I can't find it in here, and this is exactly how it was presented like that. Very interesting. Yeah, there you go. It's the XFCE, the environment's working just fine. Yeah, I have no complaints. This is running fantastically. You got the little dock on the bottom that kind of reminds you that you're using Mac OS, but you're not. Yeah, this is... What the heck is this? Okay. I've seen that introduced on Windows Media Player, where you have this button beside next to the minimize button, this little drop down thing that closes this and makes it look like that. It's really bizarre. Alright. So we got 2 successful ones so far. How much more pressure can we give this? IS mate. Let's try mate. Alright. So here's what we gotta do. Okay, well, it won't open. They have to do that manually. That's exactly the version I'm using. Gives a big fat OK, which goes to get Zorin. I'm not using Zorin anymore. I feel like I'm using a different desktop environment. I mean, technically, because you got like the icons that kind of represent you're using Zorin OS Lite. All right, it's gonna install mate, and I can pretty much tell you this is gonna take a while. So back in a second. Okay, so here's what it came back with. It came back with some errors. Okay. So that means it either won't work or I have no idea. Try to log out again. Let's restart the computer. No, mate. Yeah, it didn't get installed. Alright. What else can we do? Can we try Genome itself? Alright. Let's try these. See if we can get something working here. Dist upgrade? I don't wanna. Are you serious? I could install Genome in Zorin OS. Are you kidding me? Okay. It's gonna be taking a while, so yeah. Okay. So instead of having to log out, I'm gonna restart the computer. Oh, if you're curious, this is version 4.12 distributed by Ubuntu. Wow, unbelievable. There's no genome, probably because it got installed. Whoa, okay. What the heck is this? Why do we need a getting started thing? So great, I think I just installed genome packages. Oh yeah, including the tweak tool. Okay. I think it literally just installed like some genome packages. Yeah, you got a couple more games apparently. It just installed like a couple more games. Export, nibbles, 5 or more. It literally just installed some stuff that are genome related. Yeah, time tracker, yeah, that wasn't there before. Desktop search. Okay. Array calendar. Array glow. What the heck? Okay. See if Zorin appearance still works. Yep, it does. Absolutely. Alright, let's just use this for the remainder. So you keep things simple. Yeah, but all it just did was just install some genome related stuff. That's all it just did. Okay. Very odd and very interesting at the same time. Install Firefox. Wow. Alright, what else am I going to try? Alright. Let's try LXQT, which is another lightweight distribution. I'm literally breaking Zorin right now. As you can probably tell because the icons, yeah, they don't look hip and cool anymore. Well, I mean they do, but they just look like genome-like. Now it's actually starting to become another boring genome distribution. Just put like the genome logo right there, and then voila. Now, at the end or somewhere in between all of this mess, I'm going to just be testing out to make sure everything still works and the you know, everything is still working fine and nothing's crashing. And actually, I don't know, we might be able to crash this if we put this under a lot of stress. And I did notice on one particular website where it was telling like how to install so and so this distribution. It gave a warning saying like, warning, you're not supposed to have too many desktop environments on this when you log in, because it apparently gets very sad. So let's see if LXQT will break it even more, be even better. At least rebooting this takes like seconds. Okay, give or take a little bit, but not too much. Alright, here we go, LXQT. Oh great. What the heck is this? Sure, go with that. Oh crap. Oh yeah, this is what happens on another Linux distribution. It does this. Alright, let's try to play around with this while we can. How much stuff is installed? Look at this. Now LXQT did come with the latest version of Ubuntu, but it's not going to be 0.10.0. Oh no, really? The copyright date's 2019? I thought this was supposed to be 2016. Don't ask me how they got the copyright date right. Alright, let's open a couple and see if any of them still work. Dashes. Dashes comes up pretty instantaneously. System settings. Oh, what? Look at this. It took part of like the LXQT and part of the Zorin thing up there. Holy crap. Oh, look at this. Oh my word. Okay. Yeah, I'm just literally breaking Zorin OS right now. Where's Zorin tweaks? There's no Zorin tweaks. You got programming. There's nothing in programming, nothing in other. Zorin OS web browser manager. Look at this. Just comes up like this. Midori? Okay. Okay. Can we launch it? I think you're supposed to go to browsers first. Midori can't find the page you're looking for. Oh well. What about Google? You can search Google. Yay. Yay for googly. Alright. Alright. So Google works. What about web? I want to install web. Oh, it's that web browser. It came with Elementary OS. Wait a minute. Elementary OS? Whoa. That's a lot of preferences. Look at all this. Look at all these preferences. How many preferences do you have? There's Zorin Appearance. And Zorin Appearance doesn't work. Wow. Unbelievable. I got all these other web browsers. Oh my word. Where's the terminal? I don't see the terminal. What's this? Tweak tool? Okay. Oh my word. I'm not kidding. This is really weird. Genome Tweaks is not supposed to work here, but apparently it does. Okay. There's terminal. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Yeah. As you can see, there's like some part of Zorin that looks weird. So far, it's kind of starting to degrade here. Let's update all the stuff. Look at all this. Look at all of this. That's right. We're going to install the Elementary desktop. Yeah, Elementary OS makes its own version. But this one's about to get even weirder. Like, way weirder. Way weirder. Yeah, because so far right now, if you kind of skip to here right about now, there's like a whole buttload of accessories. I got a whole bunch of games, graphics. Okay, not too much graphics. Internet, you got a couple web browsers. Office is plenty. But look at the preferences. That's a lot of preferences. And look at the LXQT settings in the configuration center. Look at that. Alright, it's X Windows server. Sure, let's switch it up a little bit. I'm not going to be using the Zorin OS login anymore. Let's see what happens. It's probably going to break. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not going to install the actual, I don't see the GUI login. Great. It says, welcome to Zorin OS 12.04. Serve, waiting for X. Yeah, it's gonna do it in here. I don't know why. dbkg. So it looks like we're already kind of breaking Zorin already, because can't normally log in anymore. Alright, let's try that. Oh, thank goodness we can log back in. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Oh, wow. That you got. What the heck is going on here? Oh. What on earth? I can't see my applications. Oh. I bet you didn't see Elementary OS didn't make an appearance in Zorin OS, didn't you? I didn't think so. Look at this. Music. Oh my word. How do you find stuff in here? Wine? Okay, you have to type in wine. That's a pain. Configure wine. Look at this. Yeah, I didn't even configure the wine yet. Great. This is gonna be fun. GIMP. Run GIMP. That works fine. Tweak tool. Oh, we'll look at this. Wait, what about Zorin appearance? What layer? Where's Zorin appearance? Look at this. Okay, yeah, leave me alone. I'm speechless right now. If you saw me didn't talk before, that's because that's because I'm sleepy. It shows it on the dock right there, and it just crashes. Wow, that is like very odd in so many ways. It's so bizarre. I don't know what to make up for it. I really don't. It's elementary Zorin. Let's go back to that Cinnamon desktop environment, see if anything has really changed. Did not get any sleep today. Well, I did, but it's just been tiring. It's 1:30 in the morning. I don't understand like why you don't have a see if we can go here. We can still go on the internet. I feel like I'm not using Zorin OS anymore. I'm just using like a totally different operating system. All the Zorin things don't work. Unity, apparently, yeah. Genome. Yeah, those don't work since. Yeah, I'm sorry if I do apologize if I'm not talking as much. I'm really tired. I have to get some sleep. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and we'll come back when I'm fully refreshed to do this. All right. All right. It's almost afternoon. We're gonna be installing more environments on Zorin OS. I had pretty good luck so far with each desktop environment. Some were weird, some were pretty beautiful. So yeah. So these next three uh, distributions I'm gonna install are Unity, KDE, and that desktop environment in I can't remember what it is, uh, but okay. So start with Unity first, and I tried looking everywhere to try and see if how to install an older version of Unity, but all it just gave me was just a newer version of Unity. It's under development. Oh yeah, I tried Unity before on Ubuntu Genome, but all it would do was just show it would show the login screen, but it wouldn't actually like show the desktop environment. So that kind of sucks. Now, I don't know if you noticed this on this paragraph right here, because I have to install the session. Yeah, that's what the problem was when I tried to do it on Ubuntu Genome. Now, I know someone's gonna ask me, "Oh, why don't you just copied and pasted it on the web browser on there instead of like having to like type it all in on your main host computer, and why you could just do that on your virtual machine?" I have no idea. Just probably because I want to save up as much resources as I can, so I can um, that doesn't do anything stupid. All right, I restarted the computer, and supposedly Unity is installed because I don't see any errors. Let's take a look here. It's still in the normal genome login, and it didn't get installed. No surprise. And to be completely honest, I don't think it will even work on this at all, because remember, it's quote unquote under development. Yeah, I really don't think Unity has been developed for a while. So alright, let's install another big mama. Oh, if you're curious what I'm typing in, it's yeah, we're pulling out the big guns here. Yeah. Okay, I'm scrolling back up here because take a look at the size it has to do, because it's like such like a elegant desktop, one of the other elegant desktop environments that Linux has. It's gonna be like 1 GB. So yeah, it's a pretty. So it's gonna be pretty big. So yeah, this is gonna obviously take another 5 years. Oh my goodness. The Zorin OS logo changed to the Kubuntu logo. Okay. I don't know what you saw, what happened, but I didn't record like restarting the computer, and okay, getting some weird territory here. Plasma. It's a switch from um the Zorin logo to the KDE logo. Oh my goodness, look at this. We're running KDE right now. What? Okay. Well, KDE was a success. Look, it kept the contents of the wine right here. Yeah, that's wine right there. Oh my word. I think I got even more games just because KDE. At least they give you descriptions of the thing. Okay. Hey, Zorin appearance. Well, we have to try Zorin appearance on Kubuntu. Nope. Crashed. Wow. KDE is working on Zorin OS, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Oh, oh, look at this. Did you see on the top right there? I don't know if you saw that. I don't know if you saw on type to search. It's a yeah. There it is. Zorin OS 12.4. Oh wow. I kid you not. It, this is getting really weird. I, I don't know how many times I said this is gonna get weird, but that is really weird because normally that's not supposed to even happen here. Uh, about system. Look at this. Kubuntu 12. What? KDE Plasma version, KDE Frameworks version, Qt version. Yeah, LXQT is basically a lightweight uh Kubuntu or KDE. Oh my word! I guess Kubuntu 12, which means it's literally Zorin OS 12, but 12.4, but they didn't bother changing this to. Okay. I mean, I can't believe Zorin appearance is there. I mean, look at all this. All these utilities. I think we got a boatload of utilities now. Internet. You get more internet stuff. Kmail. I think it's called Kmail. Yeah, Kmail. You have a whole bunch of. Okay, so here's what we got so far. We have a whole bunch of BitTorrent clients, web browsers, applications, preferences. We have a whole bunch of preferences. I call these no, utilities. Okay, settings. Okay. Wow. Lost and found? How's there a lost and found category? Okay, well, the wine's right there. Oh, look at this. I can't believe there's like actually something for wine. Okay, now I can browse the C drive. I couldn't before, but now I can. Ooh, look at that weirdness going on here. Ouch. Okay, so I think it's time to install another one. Wow. Well, KDE was a success. So let's try something else. You see how I told you it was becoming more broken? Yeah, it's a lot broken now. Zorin OS is not what it's used to be. It is totally different. Okay, deep in. Yeah, this is another big one. Whoops. All right. President, this is not even a mess. Look at this. Oh man, I don't think it says Zorin OS anymore. Yeah, Zorin OS is that's what it's used to be. Well, looks like I can't. Looks like I can't create it. Well, that's a shame. Oh yeah, look, here's the Kubuntu logo I was talking to you about earlier. It's just like it does it instead of the Zorin OS logo. Kirigami Gallery? Does this even exist? I'm just looking at the new applications that it installed. Look at all of this. You get 2 calculators. Okay, I don't think it installed any of the KDE games. But you get all of these office tools. K3B, KDE Connect. Alright, well, since I don't want to bore you with typing the deep in desktop environment, I'll see you when I get a chance to install Deepin and maybe some distributions you haven't looked at yet. Alright, so while I was trying to see how to install Deepin OS's desktop, it didn't want to work. Because it gave me like a tiny little frequently asked question thing on the terminal and saying like, nope, this package is this won't work because it has unmet dependencies and it won't work. And then I said, oh well, okay, I'm gonna try to reinstall the make desktop environment. I did that, it had unmet dependencies, and so I tried LXDE again, and it actually shows up right here. In fact, I can choose Ubuntu LXDE. Let's do LXDE. And there we go. There's LXDE. It has the Debian logo for whatever reason. Where's preferences? Okay, look at accessories. That's a lot of accessories. Debian. Whoa. I think you're getting even more stuff here. Oh no, they just kind of like. Okay. So, well, it's working. Like I said. Well, finally, it's working. Let's pull up another random web browser and see if thing starts up. Like, okay, going back to Chromium apparently. Oh, okay. So, oh, okay. So, Firefox. Yeah, let's open Firefox. Why not? Let's do web. Don't know what web is. Okay, might as well do that. Uh, calculator. Sure, we'll do calculator. We're Office base. Writer. Trying to see how much this could choke. Quadripassal. Mines. Configure wine. I believe configure wine will work. Oh. Yeah, I think we just moved away from Zorin OS territory. I mean, you got the Zorin pages still showing. Alright, so that's LXDE. I think you already know what LXDE looks like. Alright, let's log out. Ubuntu, what is it going to look like? Is it going to look like a normal Ubuntu installation? Yep. I'm literally using Ubuntu. So, what the heck? So you have LXDE, then Ubuntu, and then they coincide with each other? Are you kidding me? How is that even possible? Try launching Zorin Appearance again, because why not? It's just gonna hang. Yeah, it's not gonna work, unfortunately. Oh, but look at all the stuff that is available to me. And this is just one desktop environment. Okay, got one music. So you got music this and music that. How? 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 Look, even the font's not correct because it's supposed to be Ubuntu. Okay, well, that's Bungie. We could do one more. This is, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be our final distribution because I don't want to bore you to tears with too many desktop environments. What's this? It's very short. How is that even possible? It's done? Okay. Uh, okay. Probably because it's installing everything else and it doesn't need a, alright. It even says Ubuntu 12 session. So it's think it's, like I said, it's just like the Kubuntu one. It's thinking it's using, 12, Zorin OS 12.4, but, ugh, it's so weird. Didn't like it. There we are. Look at the desktop. It's like so screwed up. Well, no, not the desktop. Just the wallpaper, because it's like right here. Okay, I've never ever used Budgie before. Let's look here. I mean, this is something that that Zorin OS could kind of like. Yeah, look, here's your. That shows it pretty nicely. I mean, what was in there? Budgie something? I can't remember. Let's give it a lot of strain. Calculator. So we got a calculator. What is it, the other calculator? Oh. How would you even have two calculators? That is crazy. Alright, so here's what we're dealing with. Okay. I want you to look at this very, very, very carefully. OS unknown 12 Exneal, which is basically saying like it's Ubuntu 16.04, but it's not. The blue theme, your breeze. Yeah, it just shows this. I mean, no Ubuntu logo, no Zorin logo, nothing. I'm just showing this. I think I just put this under too much stress, and it's not the Zorin OS you are quite expecting. But to me, I mean, this operating system would be nice with Zorin OS. I mean, I would certainly agree. All right, so yeah, uh, that's that. That's 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 me breaking Zorin OS 12.4, and it looks and things look odd. Some things look odd. Some things look incredible. I mean, there's really no way to write home about. I mean, it said it would cause conflict, but I don't see any conflict. I mean, it's everything is working like just the way it is, apart from the K Ubuntu logo, just like sticking out like a sore thumb. I mean, it has nothing to do with Zorin OS anymore. So, so yeah, yeah, that's that.